Hi, and welcome to Mind Muscles for Traders podcast, the place for traders to build their brain for market gain. I'm Rich Friesen, and you can find all the free resources for traders at mindmuscles.com/trading. Today, we're going to talk about, first, where do your trading behaviors break down? And secondly, what steps you can take to get to your goals. I will give you a link to a great download to help you do this. All right, let's get started. Trading is a complex, adaptive process. The markets are complex, strategies are unclear, setups can be vague, execution timing can be debated. Our brain filters and distorts information. Our brain contains reactive neural circuits driven by pre-programmed subroutines that we may even be unaware of. With all of this, we can still trade and be profitable. How can this be? What do we need to do to get to our goals? How can we find out what stops us from getting the success that we want? The best state of mind to take advantage of this exercise is 1. Feel curious. 2. Be non-judgmental. 3. Feel open to all experiences. 4. Be willing to explore your own inner world. 5. Be okay with all discoveries. And 6. Love all outcomes. I'm going to introduce an exercise that is designed to break down the trading process in fixable bites. We do this so you can laser focus on the critical issues that need to be fixed. We can then focus on replacing the trading behaviors that no longer serve you with new trading behaviors that produce the results you want. If trading requires 10 correct functions to be successful and 3 are broken, it is challenging to be consistently profitable. We need to fix all 3. If we are unaware of 2 of them, it can be frustrating when we make progress and still don't get to our goals. So, let's break it down and create a simple path so we can observe exactly where our trading success works well and where it is sabotaged. Let's do this one step at a time. Step 1. Create a simple trading strategy. This strategy, 1, can be described in a way that anyone can execute it. 2, has clear setups. 3, has clear stops and target exits with a good risk-to-reward ratio. 4, it will create enough trades to get a good sample size of executions. And 5, it will be active enough to generate at least 2 trades a day. The more, the better. This strategy doesn't even need to be profitable. It just needs to be clearly defined. So, step 2, start a new simulated or demo account with no trading history. In this account, trade the strategy for at least 30 trades or 1 month, whichever comes first. The more trades, the better. Step 3, what is different is that we're going to put your trading process into slow motion, just like slow motion videos that you've seen. Now, we're going to take advantage of our slow motion trading by journaling the experience. This way we can get hints as to what is breaking down. First, we're going to journal our experiences to see how our brains are managing the trading decision process. A sample journal using an Excel spreadsheet can be downloaded at mindmuscles.com/trading/explorer/journal. That's mindmuscles.com/trading/explorer/journal. With every trade, you're going to become aware of 3 internal processes that add up to your state of mind, or what we call your SET, S-E-T score. The first part of the SET score is your sensations, your physical sensations. The second is your emotions, or your feelings. The third is your thoughts as they pass through your head. Sensations, emotions, thoughts, SET score. So what you want to do is score yourself on a scale of -5, which is the worst ever, to +5, which is the best ever. A score of 0 is neutral. Please, just be curious about the results. Do not try to change anything just yet. Be a neutral observer and watch with curiosity as patterns emerge. Step 4 is to check your trade execution results. Right now, we're not concerned about P&L, just our execution patterns. Use the spreadsheet to keep track of your execution results. This spreadsheet keeps track of the trades that are executed according to strategy and plan. Instructions are below the entries, and each heading has an explanation when you mouse over it. Do this for a minimum of 30 trades or 4 weeks, whichever comes first. Now, you have some great data to see what has happened and what you can work on to make a big difference in your bottom line. What is your experience? If you find that your set score records a lot of tension, stress, negative feelings, and thoughts, that means you can work on this area to make significant improvements. Did you execute? If you find that you're not executing the strategy to produce lucrative trades, that is, trades that are executed according to the plan, win or lose, then you can look at what stops you from doing that. Now, where did your trading break down? So, with this simple simulation, we can tease out what is stopping you from becoming the success you want. A written copy of this podcast can be found at themindmuscles.com/trading/explore/journal. The Mind Muscles Academy course, Mind Muscles for Traders, gives you additional frameworks, assessments, simulations, and exercises. These can add up to new mind muscles that unleash the power of the trader inside of you. You can begin with a free version of the Mind Muscles for Traders at mindmuscles.com/trading/explore/journal. I'm Richard Friesen, founder of the Mind Muscles Academy. Thanks for listening. Have a most excellent trading day.